بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبين نستعين على أمور الدين والدين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم أجمعين. waxaa maanta loo yimid saaxiibkay James Swan SRG iyo dhammaan laamaha kala duwan ee hay'adaha UN-ta oo ay ku jireen WFP, FAO iyo kuwa kale fara badan. Waxa ugu muhiimsanaana waxay ahayd anagoo soo dhaweynay ka wada hadlaynay dhowr arrimood oo ay ka mid ahaayeen abaaraha iyo amniga iyo horumarinta. waxaanan isla qaadanay guud ahaan isku fikir ka ahayn arrintaan isku idaarsanaynay inay ahayd mid maanta munaasab ahayd iyadoo aad u boorinayeen dagaalka shabaab lagula jiro iyo deegaanada in dib loo xoreeyo iyo abaaraha oo ay baaq guud ka soo jeedinayeen hay-adaha khusaysana kulligood ay nagala qayb galeen. aad baad ugu mahadsan tahay Mr. Jim booqashadaad noogu timid. aad baanan u soo dhaweynaynaa kulankaas. and I hope in dowladda Soomaaliyeed maanta ama federal level ha noqoto ama state level ha noqoto inay qaadanayso go'aanadaas tallaabooyinka in la qaato. waxa ugu badan ee boorinayna inay noqoto dagaalka shabaab iyo tallaabooyinka la qaaday kale ku soo dhawo Mr. Jim.
Our delegation includes United Nations Development Program, UNDP Resident Representative Jocelyn Mason, Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO Representative Etienne Petterschmidt, the United Nations Population Fund, UNFPA Country Representative Edward Adenyi Ojulape, and the World Food Program, WFP Deputy Country Director Laura Turner. We were honored to discuss a range of topics with the President related to humanitarian issues, development needs, and political and security conditions in Jubaland State, and how we can best support Jubaland. This visit is one of several we are making to the federal member states to focus attention on the prolonged drought, which is the worst in 4 decades and has devastated and ravaged many parts of the country. Here in Jubaland, the drought has led to emergency levels of food insecurity. In response to these dire conditions, the United Nations team is working side by side with local humanitarian partners and actively advocating for more international donor support to alleviate the situation and prevent famine here and elsewhere in Somalia. We urge federal and state officials in Somalia to continue to collaborate in addressing severe water shortages and drought conditions, and to make further progress on security and governance to respond to the needs of the people. Beyond the issue of drought response, the United Nations stands ready to support the Jubaland administration in the formation of district councils and in advancing reconciliation within Jubaland State. We urge in this regard due representation of women, youth, and minority communities in governance and leadership. Once again, Mr. President, my sincerest gratitude for your warm welcome and hospitality. The United Nations family looks forward to continuing to work together with you, your team, and the people of Jubaland as you build a better future. Thank you very much.